Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best frying pans on the market. Whether you're a home cook or a kitchen pro, finding the right pan can make all the difference. We'll cover the top options, from nonstick to cast iron, so you can choose the perfect one for your cooking needs. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. All-Clad D3 Tri-ply Stainless Steel Fry Pan. When it comes to frying pans, smaller sizes are perfect for cooking 1 or 2 eggs, but when you're cooking for more people, you'll need a lot more space. This generously sized frying pan offers ample room to prepare burgers, pork chops, or steaks for the whole family, and its stainless steel interior ensures a fantastic sear. The polished starburst pattern inside helps prevent food from sticking, and the flared sides make it easy to toss ingredients like a professional chef. We were impressed by how this pan produced a well-defined, golden brown crust on both sides of our meat, and while it released food fairly easily, we did need to lightly scour to remove some stuck-on bits. The pan is oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees, making it easy to transfer from stovetop to oven, and it's compatible with induction cooktops. With an aluminum core that extends throughout the base and sides, this pan offers fast, even heating and is fully encased in durable stainless steel for easy cleaning, whether by hand or in the dishwasher. If this size isn't quite right, it's also available in 8, 10, and 14-inch versions to match your cooking needs. Pros: professional quality performance, oven/broiler safe to 600 degrees, induction compatible, salmon skin crisped perfectly. Cons: expensive. Number 2. Caraway 10,5 Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan. Companies like Caraway are leading the charge in creating cookware free from harmful substances like PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS, commonly referred to as forever chemicals and often found in traditional non-stick coatings. While the FDA allows limited use of some PFAS in cookware, many consumers prefer to avoid them altogether. Cookware that excludes these chemicals is frequently marketed as non-toxic, and in Caraway's case, the brand uses ceramic material to ensure food doesn't stick. Caraway's fry pan not only stands out for its sleek design and wide variety of colors, but it also comes with a modular storage system specifically designed for their product line. Performance-wise, the fry pan holds its own. It works on all cooking surfaces, including induction. Though it's hand wash only and best suited for low to medium stovetop temperatures, the pan can withstand oven heat up to 550 degrees, one of the highest limits available. Ideal for any stovetop, these PFAS and PFOA-free pans are highly rated for both their design and size. Even with daily use, the pan showed no signs of wear. Just keep in mind, it's not dishwasher safe, so a bit of manual scrubbing is necessary. Number 3. All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan. The All-Clad HA1 12 inches fry pan with lid is a heavyweight contender in the non-stick cookware category. Its substantial feel is largely due to its impressive size, with a 12 1/8 inches diameter and an 8 3/4 inches handle, making it an excellent choice for those cooking large meals. The pan also comes with a glass lid, increasing its versatility for a variety of cooking methods. Both the pan and the lid are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a great advantage for tackling more complex recipes. However, some of the pan's strengths may also present challenges. Its large size demands significant space, which may not be ideal for smaller kitchens or crowded stovetops, and the long handle can easily get in the way in a busy kitchen. On smaller burners, the wide surface may not heat evenly, leading to inconsistent cooking. Our testers found the pan less suited for tasks like flipping omelets due to its size, but the generous surface area is perfect for cooking multiple pancakes or similar dishes. The non-stick coating is decent but might require some oil or butter over time. Despite these drawbacks, the All-Clad delivers solid performance and is a competitive option, especially considering its price point. Number 4. Mesin 5-ply 10-inch Stainless Steel Pan. This skillet is noticeably heavy, but the handle is comfortable, and its length keeps your hand safely away from the heat while staying cool throughout cooking. If the weight isn't an issue for you, this skillet is a powerhouse for searing. During our tests, the salmon released effortlessly on both the initial flip and at the end, requiring minimal effort. The skin turned out impressively crispy, about 95% evenly crisp across the surface, and the fish was thoroughly and evenly cooked. Mushrooms sautéed in under 5 minutes, and the skillet's angled sides made the process smooth and efficient. Cleanup was straightforward after soaking the pan in warm water and dish soap once it had fully cooled. While the cooking surface showed slight discoloration, This is a common occurrence, priced near the lower end of the products we tested. This skillet holds its own against more expensive models. Its solid construction ensures durability, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. Pros: excellent for searing and sautéing, cleanup was a breeze, handle stays cool while cooking. Cons: slight discoloration on cooking surface. Number 5. Made in 8-inch 5-ply non-stick frying pan. Our top choice in this category had to master the fundamentals while offering a bit of flair, and this 8-inch frying pan from Made In checks all the boxes. This versatile non-stick pan works on nearly any heat source, whether it's gas, electric, glass, or induction. Plus, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for baking your favorite egg dishes. Constructed with a 5-ply stainless steel body, the pan heats up quickly and maintains even surface temperatures. The flared lip and rounded sides make flipping foods a breeze, so you'll never worry about overcooking your yolks. There are a few care tips to keep in mind. It requires hand washing and should only be used with non-metal utensils to avoid damaging the surface. However, it's worth noting that the non-stick coatings are FDA approved, providing a durable, long-lasting surface when properly maintained. While this pan isn't dishwasher safe, we found that any food remnants were easily wiped away with a paper towel. Pros: compatible with multiple heating mechanisms, 5 layers of metal for even heat distribution, reliably non-stick coating. Cons: hand wash only.